In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Odoo Master Password. Here I am showing in Windows installed Odoo. If you forget the Odoo Master Password, you are unable to manage the database, including database duplication, backup, and deleting the database. First, we need to stop the Odoo services. Then open the Odoo installed location and find the Odoo configuration file. Here you need to find the admin underscore password. We can remove this line or we can enter the hashtag on first portion of that line. After that we need to save, then start Odoo services. Once after opening the Odoo, we are able to enter the new master password for database. Here you can enter new password. That password will be updated in the Odoo configuration. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.